I've been a big fan of Xiaomi's smart bands from the very first generation. You would be shocked, but that device didn't even have a heart rate sensor. And by the way, it didn't have a screen either. But it was cheap and well built. And these qualities have become the main features of the Mi Smart Band series. Now it's time to talk about the 7th generation of Xiaomi's fitness tracker. Hi, it's Ozien, and before I start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. Xiaomi's next smart band will be the Mi Band 7, and the leaks for the gadget have started appearing. Last time the smart band was leaked, giving away some specs and its codename, i.e. the L66. In the new development, the smart band has emerged with the Belgium SGS CBSE and Indonesia's SDPPI certification. The Xiaomi Mi Band 7 has the model number M2129B1. It has passed the CGS SEBC certification, confirming a 250 mAh battery cell inside the device. It also reveals that we will see the smart band in the European market. The SDPPI certification reveals nothing except for its Asian availability. The smart band was previously tipped to come with 192 to 490p resolution screen. It will come with an always-on display and will be an upgrade over the predecessor Mi Band 6. It is said to have many different workout modes, including aerobics and Zumba. As per the leaks, the Mi Band 7 may also come with built-in GPS support. Furthermore, it will come with features like smart alarm that is set to wake you up from light sleep 30 minutes before you set the alarm. It is also rumored to come with a power-saving mode. These specs seem interesting, and the Mi Band 7 appears to have a lot up its sleeve. As for now, there is no official confirmation about its launch, but considering the increased pace of its leaks, we may see the smart band hit the stores soon. And now some more details. The biggest upgrade of Xiaomi Mi Band 6 over its predecessor comes in the form of a larger display. You could say that this has become somewhat of a tradition. The size of the screen has been bumped up for several years in a row. In 2021 we got a 1.56-inch AMOLED that contours to the shape of the band, up from 1.1 inches before. That's quite a sizable increase. The company says this type of display gives users 50% more screen space than on the predecessor's device. Most impressively, Xiaomi has managed to achieve this without increasing the size of the device. There is a difference, but it's marginal. The current version measures 47.4 to 18.6 to 12.7 mm, which is only slightly larger and thicker than Generation 5, which means the increase in size has been achieved by shrinking the bezel around the edges. In fact, you can say there is almost no bezel now. Well, there is, but it's small. The quality of the AMOLED on Mi Band 6 is pretty high, so this might also stay the same on Mi Band 7. But an area of improvement could be screen protection. All the Xiaomi Mi Band so far are susceptible to scratching. That could easily be changed with a Gorilla Glass display or similar. If you think 2022 might be a year where the display finally stays the same size, think again. Xiaomi looks to be going down the route of Huawei and Honor. Their latest fitness bands come with an even larger screen than the one that can be found on Mi Band 6. This has been achieved by making the middle part of the display wider than the strap. Might Xiaomi opt for this route? It is looking incredibly possible. In fact, a recent patent in China would suggest this. It shows a Xiaomi smart bracelet that looks very much along the lines of the current generation. The main difference is the display, which extends beyond the width of the strap. If this ends up being the new design, it will further burn the line between fitness bands and smartwatches a bit too much. Xiaomi has a loyal following, and it's questionable whether its customers will be happy with such a radical change in design. Adding credence to this is an info that comes from Magical Unicorn. The source has a decent track record of leaking info of unreleased devices. This reveals Mi Band 7 is being developed under the code name L66. Two variants are in the works that go by model number M2129B1 and M2130B1. They dug for information in the ZEP app software code and found that the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 will come with a display pixel resolution of 192 to 490 pixels. That's just as wide as Honor Band 6, but taller. To summarize, we are expecting Mi Band 7 to come with a larger display with always-on option, built-in GPS, features such as Smart Wake, passcode, power-saving battery mode, and more. Xiaomi has been fairly regular at releasing subsequent generations of the Mi Band each year. Since 2016, these were unveiled in May or June, 2021 being the exception. The tech giant surprised us last year with spring release date, so it seems the gap between subsequent generations is narrowing. This means Mi Band 7 could could land anytime now, possibly in May or June, if Xiaomi reverts to the later release date. As far as price, this has been creeping up. The current generation will set you back around $60. This price point is probably the top end of what you would want to pay for a budget fitness tracker. This is why I don't really see Xiaomi bumping up the price any further. Except of course if there is an iteration with built-in GPS. If that one pans out, expect it to retail around $30 more than the regular variant. My today question is, do you have a smartwatch or fitness tracker? Are you happy with the device of your choice? Your answers, as always, you can leave in the comments section below. I will definitely read everything and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seems interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. You were watching OZN and I'll see you guys in the next one.